So the reason why I chose this program was mainly to do with the practical skills, followed also by the theoretical knowledge. I believe that ZIGURAT offered practical skills supported by software certification, which far surpassed the theoretical knowledge that employers are really looking for. Employers are looking for that practical knowledge. They're looking for software certification, which allows you to seamlessly transition into employment following university. The Masters in Global BIM Management allowed me to make global connections. It allowed me to demonstrate that I am responsible to work remotely for a whole entire year, which then allowed me to transition into a remote role for now, my current employment. I actually met my current employer through the Masters in Global BIM Management. He was a fellow alumni of ZIGURAT Institute, so it had a brilliant success rate in terms of gaining not only employment, but employment with a previous ZIGURAT alumni. Absolutely, so the online methodology was scheduled online classes, which were available as, which could be recorded during the time of lectures. Therefore, you were able to then undertake the lectures during or after the scheduled time, which was very useful as I was currently working during undertaking the Masters with ZIGURAT. In terms of making those global connections, that was really invaluable for my development within my career, as I'm now undertaking a role which manages BIM projects on a global scale. In terms of managing my time and collaborating with my co-workers, it really developed that skill to be able to understand, respect and embrace the different faiths, cultures and also time zones, as most of us worked across multiple time zones, which allowed us to then develop the skill at managing our time. I really respect that they are all professions in their own field. Most of them do have jobs actually within the industry, so they are able to lecture plus hold down a professional job as well, which really empowers me because I'm able to gain their understanding from real world experience and current experience, not just learning from a lecturer who has been in the business for 20 years ago. They have the knowledge and they have the experience of the now, which is super important in this day and age where technology is constantly, rapidly changing.